Hello everyone! To make this card, take a hardcover of a notebook, preferably small and not very thick. And take another cardboard of medium thickness. We will cut strips of the cardboard and put it at these edges so that it will look like a notebook. Cut the strips little bit smaller than the size of the notebook. Let's first stick all the strips and check if it fits properly. As you can see, the size is perfect. Now we can increase its height. I have cut more strips and added 4 layers of cardboard for each edge. Something heavy on top of it and let it dry. Now when the borders are perfectly fixed, we can start painting. I have painted a white base. Now, inside the cavity, brush some water first. Now, start putting color from the corners. Then, in the center, put white. Now, try to blend them. Now, take a cotton ball and dab it on the paint. It will give it a nice effect. Try not to smudge it, simply dab. The background is done. Now, take an epoxy compound like Fevicryl Mouldit or any M-Seal for the 3D part. Mold it and stick it the way you want. Just make sure it is at the same level with the borders. Now when it is solid, let's paint it. It is done and it has come quite well, as you can see. Now we will make cover of the book. For that, I am using some printouts. Find the perfect placement that works for you. You can glue them using any Mod Podge, which is usually used in decoupage techniques. Also put a layer of it on top of the cutouts and let it dry. We will create the same effect here as we did inside of it. Just repeat the same process. I have tried to blend the cutouts. And it is looking good, somewhat like a book. I have also added the title on the side. The borders or the edges are also looking good to disguise it as a book. And you can also write your personal message inside. We are done. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up, leave a comment and subscribe to the channel. I will be back soon. Till then, keep bringing your imagination into being.